Welcome back, students. As you all know that we have started our chapter number 5 of history, that is rulers and buildings, and first part is already completed. In that part we studied about various temples and various buildings which was built by the emperors of that time. Okay, what we have already read is about Qutub Minar, Kandariya Mahadeva temple and Raja Rajeshwara temple. Okay, today we are going to start with a new topic, that is Humayun's tomb. In the picture you can see it is the Humayun's tomb. Okay, now what was Humayun's tomb? Humayun tomb is the tomb of Mughal emperor Humayun in Delhi. Okay, so if in the exam it comes what is the Humayun tombs, the answer will be Humayun's tomb is the tomb of the Mughal emperor Humayun, which is located in Delhi, India. Okay, the tomb was commissioned by Humayun's first wife and chief consort empress Bega Begum in 1569-1570. Okay, and is designed by Mirak Mirza by her. So the tomb was commissioned by Humayun's first wife. The name of her wife was Bega Begum in 1569 to 1570, and it was designed by Mirak Mirza by her. Okay, it was the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent that Humayun founded in 1533. So it was regarded as the first garden tomb. So from the exam point of view it can come that which tomb is regarded as the first garden tomb of the Indian subcontinent. Okay, so the answer will be the Humayun's tomb. So Humayun founded this in 1533. It was also the first structure to use red stone at such a scale. Okay, so it was the first structure which was made from the red stone at such a huge scale. Okay, next is the most familiar one, that is the Taj Mahal. Okay, it's also included in the wonders of the world. Taj Mahal is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the south bank of the Yamuna River in the Indian city of Agra. Okay, as you all know, it is located at Agra. It is the ivory white marble mausoleum on the south bank of the Yamuna River in the Indian city of Agra. Okay, it was commissioned in incorporates and expands design traditions on Persian and earlier Mughal architecture. Okay, so the Taj Mahal, which is built mainly the traditions and the Persian traditions are provided in the sculptures made in the Taj Mahal and also from the earlier Mughal architecture. Okay, the Taj Mahal at Agra was completed in 1643. Okay, so it was commissioned in 1632 and finally it was completed in 1643. In the next picture you can see Kuwait Al Islam Mosque. Okay, now where it is present and what is the all the other things which we should know about this mosque, that we are going to study. Kuwait Al Islam Mosque was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. Who was Qutbuddin Aibak? He was the founder of the Mamluk or the slave dynasty. Okay, so Mamluk or the slave dynasty is only one meaning of one name only. Okay, it was the first mosque built in Delhi after the Islamic conquest of India. The construction of this Jami Masjid started in the year 1193 AD. Okay, so the construction of this Jama Masjid started in the year 1193 AD. Corbel technique used in the construction of an ark. Okay, so it was a mosque which was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. He was the founder of slave dynasty, or you can say as a Mamluk dynasty. It was the first mosque built in Delhi after the Islamic conquest of India. Okay, so from the exam point of view, the question can come from this mosque. Okay, next is Golden Temple. Now you would be more familiar with this temple also. It is located in the India itself. Okay, so Harmandir Sahib, also known as Golden Temple, and the Darbar Sahib is the holiest Gurudwara and the most important pilgrimage site of Sikhism. Okay, so when we come to the religion that is Sikhism, it is the most important pilgrimage or the holiest place from the point of view of the Sikh people. Okay, so it is known as Sri Harmandir Sahib or the Golden Temple. Okay, it is regarded as only one. It is located in the city of Amritsar, that is in Punjab. The temple is built around a man-made pool that was completed by Guru Ramdas in 1577. As you can see, the temple is surrounded by the man-made pool in which water is present. So it was completed by Guru Ramdas in 1577. Guru Arjan, the fifth Guru of Sikhism, requested Sai Miar Mir, a Muslim Pir of Lahore, to lay its foundation stone in 1589. So the Guru Arjan, the fifth Guru of Sikhism, what he requested to a person that is named Sai Mian Mir, a Muslim pair, okay, of Lahore, to lay its foundation stone in the 1589. Means after laying its foundation, then only the construction work will be started. So he requested a Muslim man that is named Sai Mian Mir. Okay. So by this we come to the end of our chapter. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the live class. Thank you everyone.